So some things, I have some reflective questions that I want you to record these and do these at your own time. There are only 3. 1, how much do you spend every month? You have to know the real actual numbers. Thinking them in your head and winging it doesn't work. I tried that. You'll always think you spend less than you actually do. I tried, and every time I'll be like, it's just a $4 coffee. No, when you add it over a week, it's not $4. It's more than that, you know. And so question number 2, what are your variable and non-essential charges, and can you reduce them? We may not be able to do much with the fixed costs, but we may be able to modify the variable costs, and definitely the non-essentials, those can wait. And question number 3, what level of income do you need in order to earn more than you spend? Because when you do your budget, you're going to figure out exactly how much you need for maybe your whole household, and then you'll see what makes you comfortable, whether you need to increase your income or increase your savings.